math module, math, M-A-T-H, math module. Right. Let's take now math module. Okay, math module. Right. See, if you think the last string module contains the functions, the variables about the strings, like alphabet, characters. If you take the calendar, that module contains the functions or variables about the calendar, like weeks, okay, weeks or dates, date formats, right? Same now, math module contains about the mathematical operations, right? For example, let's see here, help of what? Help of math, right? So you can observe, guys. It's all about the math module. Okay, what's the name? Module name, math, and description. This module provides access to mathematical functions. Okay, defined by the C standard, right? And these are the functions. We can see the functions, right? Copy sign now. Let's go down. You can see floor function, factorial function. You know factorial, right? Factorial function. So many are there here. Sin theta, cos theta, also there. Log function, log 10, right? Power function is there. Okay. We can see sin, right? Sin, tan. In school days or in +2, we get the trigonometry, right? Yes or no? Sin, cos, tan. Those are all available here also. Okay, and you can see trunk is there. Okay, trunk. And these are the some default values, right? I value, okay, E value, these are default values, right? So this is which function, which module? Math, right? Math module, guys. Our file name is modules are file Python modules, right? Something is displayed. Right. All of them will take first which one? Math, right? So first always we have to import math. Import math. In math module, we have to discuss two functions, main functions. That is seal and floor. Seal function, floor, right? So as m, we take as m dot seal off. I am giving suppose 10.8. 10.8. Now I am going to print it. Print off. Run this one. You can see. So what came here? How much output came now? 11, right? 11 came, guys. So do you think that is it round number? Round figure value. We know, right? So do you think that is it round number or not? No, it is not round number. Suppose for 10.8, round number is 11, generally, right? Generally. But if I take the 10.22, what is round number? 10 or 11? 10. But check here, what came now? 11 only came. Right? So means it is not giving the round value. It is giving the seal means the next integer value. For given number, what is the next integer value? What is the next integer? Seal, right? Seal means the next. Floor, seal. Floor means the current one, seal means next one. Okay. So suppose if I take now 10.1 also, what comes here? What comes now? 11 comes up. If I take the 10.0, 10.0, so no fraction value here. Just 0 is there. There's no 1.1, 0.2, 0.3. It gives the current number only. What's number? 10. It gives the 10. It gives 10. If you have 10.1 onwards, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, it gives a next integer value. Next integer, right? For example, the same case I'll take now 1.8. 1.8. Seal of 1.8. What is the result here? It gives 2. It gives, right? It gives 2 guys here. It gives 2. Suppose 1.0, then it is the one only, right? It is the only one. It is the one. So seal means if it is a float value, means at least 0.1 onwards, not the 0.0. 0.1 onwards is there. It gives the next integer number. The next integer number. The seal, if I give the integer value, which is not which one having the any float fraction value, then it gives the current value only. Okay, the seal function. Next one, what is there here? Floor is there. Floor function is there. Seal function, floor function, right? Now we know about the seal, right? We know about the seal. Now all of the seal of 10.8, floor of 10.8. Same value. Function is changing, right? Now the first one is the how much output? And the floor is the 10. Floor is the floor means current value, current integer value, current integer value. So seal means next integer value, right? Next one, for example, let's take here. I'm taking now seal of 1.5. The same case, floor of 1.5. I take here floor of 1.5. What's the answer for the second seal? 3. 2. And here, let me take here also 1.5. Right. Above 1, 2 gives, and this is the one is given here. Right. What is seal? Seal means the next integer value. Floor means current integer value. It's not about a round figure. Okay. The last one, I just take the 1.0 on the floor also will take 1.0. We take here floor also 1.0. Currently, tell me now. Both are 1, 1. Sorry. Right. Right. Both given. Oh, one more is missed. Right. So both are 1, 1. Right. Take the notes now. Seal. Seal function returns the next integer, value, of the specified number. If the specified number has fraction value, then it gives the next integer number. The specified number has no fractional value, then it will return the same specified number as a result. Next one, floor function, right? It will return the integer value of the specified number. Comma, the specified number can be integer or float value. Hello? Right. Next one, just observe guys here. I just remove this. Next, so factorial is the right. Let me know m dot factorial of 5. Right, of 5. Let's take the print. We'll take the print here. So it's giving now. It gives a factorial value, right? It means what here? If I give the 5, it takes a 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into up to 1. Up to 1. All of it. Suppose if I give the 10, then what does it now? It takes 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 and up to 1 now. Multiply, right? So that is a factorial value. All right. Take the function factorial. Take the function factorial. Factorial, right? Factorial. Right there. So it will return the factorial value. It will return the factorial value of the given number. Okay, given number. It will return the factorial value of the given number. Right? Let's take this one. Print of m dot factorial of, let's take the suppose 3. What does it now? It gives so 3 into 2 into 1. What's first one answer here? 120. Yeah? It's 120. And this one how much? Which is the 6. Right, factorial. Right. So next one, square root value. For example, all of observe. So m dot sqrt, square root of, let's take the suppose 25. For example, right? Let me know. How much? 5. 5 square, how much? 5 square, 25. Square root of 25 means it gives 5. Right? Suppose if I give here print of m dot sqrt, square root of 100 I am giving, then how much? It gives 10, 10.0, same 10 value. Right? Take the square root.